I'm really emphasizing that people should be doing video, and it's not because I'm just naturally good on camera. Like this took me a long time to get used to speaking in front of people. I put myself through a challenge of recording 100 videos in 100 days, and that was sort of my push into being able to record all the time. Like, you want me to knock out 100 videos for a course? Not a problem. I'll put my face on the camera regardless of how I look. It's just what I do. Now, I say that because a lot of people are scared to jump on video. Well, no one said you have to put your face. It could just be your voice. And maybe you don't like how you sound, so go hire someone. But the point is, video ads are working tremendously, and they're also really cheap right now. And the last thing you want to do is miss the boat before everyone else realizes that, hey, I could jump on camera too. GoPros and your phones. How hard is it to record a video? So do it now and utilize Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, so on and so forth, because you get to test for an insanely cheap amount, $5 a day, and get tons of data and create audiences of people who want your stuff, even if it doesn't convert. It's like you're learning. And all it takes is $5 a day, and even if you generated 1 lead a day, at the end of the month you got 30 people who've never heard of you before on your list.
Yeah, awesome.
And that's it. So just give it a try, take action, and watch what happens.